From the establishment of landmark institutes like IITs and IIMs to ISRO's pioneering space missions, India has consistently harnessed science and technology to address societal challenges and strengthen its global standing. Thanks to these efforts, science and technology have become an integral part of India's policy processes. When we talk about bringing evidence-based solutions to the heart of policy making, Dr. V S Arunachalam's name resonates with all. After his tenure as the scientific advisor to Raksha Mantri, Government of India, Dr. Arunachalam set up the Centre for Study of Science, Technology and Policy (CSTEP) in 2005, with a vision to bridge the gap between scientific research and policy making to ensure a sustainable, secure and inclusive future. Today, CSTEP continues to honor his legacy through projects aimed at informing policy decisions. Our rooftop solar explorer tool uses aerial surveys to identify solar potential in different cities in India. Aligned with the PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana, the tool informs policy decisions in 25 states and 120 cities. CSTEP also collaborates with state governments to strengthen the transmission infrastructure and generates evidence for scaling up renewable energy-based EV charging to enable true green mobility in Indian cities. Our high-resolution emission inventories have helped various cities and states draft scientifically informed clean air action plans. To further explore decarbonization pathways, we are also looking at how hydrogen can reduce emissions in hard-to-abate sectors such as steel and cement. CSTEP has also created the Sustainable Alternative Futures for India or SAFARI model to help policymakers visualize low-carbon development paths by simulating technology and policy interventions. The Climate Risk Assessment Tool, CRAT, a web-based platform developed by CSTEP, applies system thinking to assess climate risks, exposure and vulnerability across India. Wicked challenges such as climate change not only require collaboration across disciplines but also behavioral change. Through initiatives such as Earth, we bridge the gap between science and art to raise climate awareness and inspire action. Through this lecture, we celebrate Dr. Arunachalam's legacy by connecting important thought leaders in the scientific arena to public policy practitioners. Welcome to the inaugural V S Arunachalam Memorial Lecture, where we honor a visionary leader and look ahead to a future shaped by science, technology, and evidence-based policy making.